Hi guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a poster with ripped paper effect in Canva. So first, you can just start by creating a new design. Create a custom size. So the width is 1080 and height is 1350. Click on create new design. Okay, so the design poster has been created, the size, and I've already changed the background color into the blue like this. Now you can just add your photo. If you haven't, you can just click on upload, then upload the photo. Click on upload files, then select the photo that you want to add to the poster. Okay, make sure that the photo doesn't have any background, but if it has, you can just always remove it on Canva. Adjust the size. Okay, after you adjust the size, you can just go to element and find a paper elements. Now add this paper right here, then add it to your design like this. You can just rotate and place the elements as the outline of the photo. So you can always duplicate it like this, and also you can make it small to fit the size. Duplicate again and rotate it again like this. Just repeat the step until all of the outline or the side of this photo has been covered. Okay, so after the side has been covered by the paper like this, you can just click on hold on one of the paper, then click on select multiple and select all of the paper element in your design, then create it as group. Okay, now click on send backward. Okay, so now it has been outlined like this, and then after that you can just add the tags that you want. Then you can change the font into your favorite font. I'm going to change the color into yellow. Adjust the size. Put it on top like this, and then add the star element. This is optional, but I'm going to just add it. So here you can just adjust on how much stars you want to add to your design. Okay, after that click on the photo and add some black and white filter. Okay, now you are done and this poster will be created. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.